Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers, welcome in Caddrafttechno. Hope everyone is doing well. Today I bring a new tutorial. In this tutorial we learn how to draw a line command in AutoCAD. Before starting this video, I request to all my viewers please subscribe my channel and share and like my video and press the bell icon for my new upload video to get the notification. So let's uh, start the video. For line command, first we go to draw menu. We see this bar. Here is this one is called bar menu bar. From menu bar we go to a drop menu. Just we click on draw. We come the menu where we find the line is written here line. From here we click the line. We come into the line command. Second, go to ribbon panel. From line here is a line written is line. Here we click, we enter the line command. Third is shortcut key. Shortcut key, we click on command prompt L. Enter. We enter the line command. After just I enter the option is available. Line specify first point. It asking to put the first point where we put anywhere we put the first point. We put the first point. After first point, again appear second options, line specify next point or undo. If you want to put the next point, you click anywhere in your workspace, it come up. Otherwise, if you have any specify length, just for example you have to draw a 3 meter length, then you put the 3 meter and enter. Your line is created 3 meter. If you want to check your length is okay or not, then you go to the dimension and from here we get the 3 meter. So we know our line is 3 meter. After this we have next option. We try put the line and press and specify first point. I take the first point. After that we need to draw off a line 3 meter line, but our line angle is 45 degree, not a 0 degree, not horizontal or not vertical, but we have to draw our line is angular. Now my angle is 45 degree. Then how we create this line? So first I take my first point, then I go to shift at the rate. After I put my length, line length is 3 meter, then I pressed angle, shift angle, and how much 45 degree angle. Then I put 45 degree and enter. So our line is create. Then how we check this? We go to the dimensional. This line is 3 meter and go to angle. We see here is angle. Our angle is 45 degree. But now we take L line. But here now before we have line straight line, horizontal line or vertical line. But now it's a free cursor is moving, all our line is moving 360 degree. But now how we do the vertical line or horizontal line? For this we go to the ortho. Now ortho is off. If we on the ortho, then our line is become horizontal or vertical. If we on off the ortho mode, then our line is create moving a 360 degree. Okay, so we know the for ortho If we on the ortho, then our line become is only line we can draw two direction, horizontal direction or vertical direction. For ortho, shortcut key is F8. Suppose we don't have we off the ortho mode, but now we have to create an angle in 0 degree, line in 0 degree. Then how we do this option? So first we take the line first point anywhere. After we need come 3 meter line suppose. Then we go to the shift at the rate. After we put the length of the line, then we put the shift angle. Then what we need, zero, I mean horizontal means 0 degree. Then we press 0, enter. It's come. Now we check with the dimension, our line is 3 meter or not. This line is 3 meter. Okay guys, hopes you understand my today video. So please comment how you feel this video. Okay, we meet in next video. Thank you.